Dan Perry here with another Dan on Tech Active Directory video for Northeast State Community College. This series of videos deals with Active Directory and what is Active Directory, how we install, configure, and manage Active Directory. We'll start off with, of course, what is Active Directory and work for there. It will include demonstrations on the configuration as well as discussions on how we design and why we do the things we do. Well, let's start off with what is Active Directory. Well, it's a database. It's a file system, and it's used to track everything in our network. Computers, users, permissions, passwords, everything about our organization that needs to be managed inside of our Active Directory network structure. Okay. Active Directory is the core unit that organizes it. It's the database, but it includes a number of utilities and programs that let us manage the database. We're going to learn to use some of those utilities, managing from both graphical interfaces, command line interfaces, as well as PowerShell. Active Directory is designed in a way that allows us to grow. We have what is called a forest, and then in a forest we have a group of domains. And those domains can be a single tree or multiple trees, and we'll look at that in the next video in more detail. The forest can be local in one location, or it can be scattered all across the world. And in a large company, that's often the case. Some of the terms that we need to know to get started are domain, tree, and forest. When you create a brand new Active Directory structure, you create a forest that manages the entire organization. You automatically create a tree within that forest and the first domain. A forest can have one or more trees and one or more domains. The vast majority of forests have a single tree and a single domain. As a company gets larger, it will add additional domains, and if necessary, it will branch those off into multiple trees. In the next video, we'll look at more detail about how that organization works. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video for Northeast State Community College. Please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss future videos.